NCTV45 Newcastle, The Train.
This program was provided through funding from Cedars Restaurant in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. A special thanks to Cedars, featuring Middle Eastern, Italian, and American cuisine. A special thanks to the YMCA for caring about the Lawrence County community and providing funding for this program. A special thank you to Tuscany Square Restaurant, Wilmington and Mitchell Roads, for providing funding for this program. NewsWatch rolling on, and here's a reminder. We talked on Lawrence County 45 weather, and motorists are reminded to watch for heavy rain and flooding. Yes, monitor the weather throughout the holiday, as there's been heavy rain showers across the state. PA 511 or 511 PA is one way to do that. And Governor Wolf went on to say, I want every Pennsylvanian and every visitor to our state to have a safe holiday season. The National Weather Service has issued a lot of rain for the state during this holiday season time, and watch for the ponding on the roads and just all that rainy, wet weather. It's 511pa.com. It's free, it's 24 hours, and it keeps you up to date on what's going on. Now, we're going to take this break. We'll be right back after these messages.